Welcome to my video. My name is Harshal Sethi. I am from second year BTech Computer Science and Engineering specialization in AI. My register number is ULK19CS2001. This is data structure and algorithm lab experiment number 5, and in this experiment the given experiment is implementation of queue using linked list. So here is the program. I have taken three functions, that is void enqueue, void dequeue, void display. After that we have front and rear in queue. So I'm creating one node using struct node, and in that the data which you are inserting in numbers. So here I've taken int num. After that the num is pointing to the next node. So struct node of next, pointer of next. After that there are there are two points, that is front and rear inside the queue. So here is struct node pointer of front, struct node pointer of rear, because the insertion in the queue is from the rear end and the deletion of the queue is from the front end. After that, in the main program, here is the menu of the queue. Enqueue, first is enqueue, second is dequeue, third is display, and fourth is exit. Afterwards, in while loop, ch is not equal to 4, it will ask us to enter our choice. In switch case, here is the case 1. In case 1 we have to enqueue, in case 2 we have to dequeue, in case 3 we have to display, and in case 4 exit option is there. If we insert 5 in choice, it will display wrong choice, please try again. Afterwards, in void enqueue, simply it will create one node using pointer and dynamically allocation of memory, that is malloc. It will create one node, and after that, if the pointer is equal to null, it has the garbage values. So it will print the garbage values. We don't have to print the garbage values. So it will print elements cannot be inserted in the queue if the memory is not available or anything comes in the memory. So it will print element cannot be inserted in queue. Afterwards, it will ask us to enter the number to insert from the rear end inside the queue. Afterwards, the pointer that the node is created, it will take this item number and it will create one node in the queue. In if else condition, pointer is equal to null if the front is equal to null. If the front is equal to null, means the queue is empty. So when the first element is inserted in the queue, the front and rear, it will point to the first node that is created. So front equal to pointer, rear equal to pointer. Afterwards, the front and rear of next is equal to null because only the first number is inserted. Afterwards, in else, the rear part, because we inserted from the rear, so rear of next will point to the pointer, means the new number which you have inserted. Then the rear will point to the new node which we have inserted, and the pointer of next means the rear of next is equal to null. Means here in the first condition, front equal to null, it will create one node and the front and rear will point only to the first node, and both of next will be null. Afterwards, when the first node is created in next, the first of next with the data, and here is the next. In the next, it will point to the new node which we have created, and the rear which was in the front, it will go in the second one. Afterwards, the data and the next will be null. Here the enqueue operation will be done. Afterwards, when we have to delete the elements in the queue, so here is the void queue. In that struct node of pointer, again it will check if the front is equal to null, because when the queue is empty, it will show there are no elements to delete from the queue, so it will print the queue is empty. Or else, when we inserted elements in the queue, it will go in else part. Then the pointer which we have to delete, the pointer will point to the first. Then the first means the front node will go to the second node, and the front will the memory will be free. Then the first node which was there, it will point to the second node, and that second node will be the first, and the queue will be continue. So the pointer equal to front, then the front which was there, it will be free, and it will go to the second node which was there, and the first pointer memory will be free. After that, when we have to display the queue elements, so struct of node pointer, then the pointer will equal equal to front, then the front is equal to null, because if the queue is empty, it will not display the elements of the queue. So if the front and rear is equal to null, means only the front is equal to null, it will show the queue is empty. Or else the queue has the elements, it will go in else part. The elements in the queue are when in while loop, it will check if the pointer is not equal to null, means if the pointer, the node which we have created, means this the pointer struct node malloc size of struct node. So this pointer is not equal to null, means the queue is not empty. It will display the pointing to the first node, and the first node which is there, that is pointing to the next. Then the first and second, and the second and third, all the elements which are in the queue, it will be displayed. Afterwards, if we choose the option 5, it will show the wrong choice, please try again. So here is the given program of the queue. Here I am showing the output of the given program. Here is the output of the program. So here it is asking us to enqueue insert, dequeue delete, display and exit. So I want to enqueue one element. So I'm entering first number 10. It will be inserted from the rear. Afterwards again I have to insert. I've inserted 20. There is 30, 40. So here I have inserted 4 nodes, 10, 20, 30, 40. Then I have to check whether the elements which I have inserted, that are inserted in the queue or not. Yes, it is inserted in the queue. So elements in the queue are 10, 20, 30, 40. Because it is inserted from the rear end, it will show in ascending order. Here is 10, then 20, then 30, then 40. Suppose I have to delete one element, that is 10. So I am choosing the second option. See, it is showing us the front element is deleted. Afterwards, again I have to delete 20. So here I am choosing 20 to delete. Yes, the second element is also deleted. Afterwards, I have to check whether the it is deleted or not. Here I am displaying. Yes, it is deleted. So here is 30 and 40. Again, I want to delete these two elements. Here I have deleted 30 and I have deleted 40. So here the queue is empty. Then again, I have to check whether the queue is empty or not. Again, I am checking. Yes, it is showing the queue is empty. Afterwards, I have to display if the elements in the queue are there or not. Here I am displaying. Yes, here is the queue is empty. So here is the given output of the program. Now I'm exiting the program. So this was the program of implementation of queue using linked list. Thanks for watching my video.